Hello YouTubers, subscribers, and friends. Well, we're starting to get those winds that the news talked about this morning. Keep hearing something sound like somebody knocking on the door. You can see right there in my awning. The wind is shaking it up and down. They say we're supposed to get about 60-mile-per-hour winds. It's that storm coming from California. I have a bolt that goes down in the center of that block and it's filled with concrete. And it has shaken that loose. Going to have to do like I did there, put another flip flop that I don't wear. The trees are starting to shake. The wind in the last 10 minutes, it was pretty powerful because it was shaking this thing. It sounded like somebody knocking on the door like that. It was rattling so hard. The dust is blowing. Had a couple of dust devils. We're supposed to be getting some rainstorms coming from that storm from California. Blow all this dirt around. It was a beautiful sunshiny day today. Now the clouds are starting to come in from the west. That's west that way. And although I don't feel the wind down by my chest level height, up towards the top of the trees it's starting to blow. Clouds are forming. At least there's no chemtrails. But I've been having a runny nose all day because of this wind. We'll see if we get them storms. I wanted to come out here and there's a big mist right there. Usually the birds are out chirping and quacking and stuff, making noise when you get near the nest. I always wonder why. Oh, there's one right here too. There's three nests in this tree that are blowing really hard. This is the third nest right there. One, two. Tree, none in that tree. Yeah, the wind is blowing really hard, and I'm 195 pounds, and it about knocked me down. See that big tree over there. I got a little bird house here, but no birds living in it. Let's see. In there. And I got a wind chime that I bought for $1 that doesn't chime. But the wind's starting to pick up. It's about 2:15 in the afternoon, February 28th. But my thing is rattling. I gotta fix my awning. Put a shoe up there, temporary fixer. I gotta go. I'm gone.